Hi friends, I'm Cakes, and in this video I'm going to take a look at this ABUS brand Titalium series model 64 Ti/50mm padlock. It has an aluminum alloy lock body and a hardened steel shackle. The keyway on this guy is rather wide, so it shouldn't be too hard to fit a pick in there. The core of this lock has 5 pins, and you can compare this to the lock from my last video, the ABUS 64 Ti35, which has 4 pins, or this tiny ABUS 64 Ti 20mm, which has only 3. So in theory, this should make it a little bit more difficult for us to get into. Anyway, let's put this guy in the vise and try to open her up. Let's test the key out, make sure that she opens up. Perfect. We're going to be using this Peterson's hook and this Chinese Z-bar, I think they're called, with top of the keyway tension. Nothing on 1. Nothing on the 2nd pin. 3rd, no. 4, no. Got a click out of the 5th pin with some movement on the core. Start back at the beginning. 1 feels like it might be binding. Let's see. Yep, got a click out of 1. And 2, got it open. So pretty easy. Didn't feel any security pins, anything like that. In any case, this has been the 64 Ti 50 from ABUS. Thanks for watching.